Meet SPIXEL Web Service Template. You can create any service web page using the Element Pack Pro. Clear navigation and instant call to action for user engagement. Highlights diverse topics to attract a broad audience. Emphasizes platform strengths like efficiency and support. Breaks down unique features and functionalities. Demonstrates data tracking and presentation capabilities. Builds credibility through reviews and testimonials. Simplifies onboarding with clear steps. Encourages signups for updates. Offers comprehensive navigation and contact points. SPIXEL Web Service Template compatibility with all mobile devices. Create your service website effortlessly with Element Pack Pro, powered by WordPress and Elementor. The link to this paid web template is provided in the description below. Thanks for watching.